Hello, my name is Roshna. I'm a fourth grade student at Tishk University from Biology Department Education. So today I want to talk about one of the parts of plant, which is leaf. At first, I want to remind the previous lesson. In the previous lesson, we talk about the plant generally. We talk about all parts of the plant and their function. But today, I want to explain the leaf in more detail. So let's start. Our outline, the student will be able to define the parts of leaf. In the leaf we have different parts, so inshallah I will explain. And also the student will be able to know the forms and their shapes of leaf, and also differentiate types of the leaf. And also another point is students will be able to classification of the plants based on the leaf structure, and the last point, the student will be able to list physiological function of leaf. So let's start with the introduction. What are leaves? Leaves are often are one of the three organs of the plant, and the most important job of a leaf it is to make food for the plant. The leaf, through the process of photosynthesis, can make their food. So leaves are the main organ responsible for turning sunlight into food. Leaves have different sizes and shapes and textures depending on what is most useful in their habitat. So the functions of the leaf. What is the function of the leaves? The first function, photosynthesis. As I said, photosynthesis happen for the plant, but specifically in the leaf part of the plant. In the leaf we have the chloroplast, which is contain chlorophyll, and through the process of photosynthesis in the plant are happen and make their own food. Cellular respiration involves using the sugar producer during photosynthesis plus oxygen to produce energy for plant growth. And transpiration. The transpiration is the loss of water from the plant through evaporation at the leaf surface. Through the evaporation on the leaf surface, lose the water. So this process is called transpiration, which is another function for the leaf. So, and now let's talk about the external structure of the leaf. In here, I put the picture, and the first one we have the lamina. Also, we can say leaf blade. This one is until here to here is the leaf blade, and also we can see in here the woolly, we can say the leaf is the leaf blade. So what's leaf blade? It is the large broad green surface of the leaf, the woolly green part of the leaf. This is the leaf blade. And then we have the petiole, or we can say leaf stalk. Leaf stalk, petiole, is the thin stalk that attaches the leaf to the main stem or branch. In here we have the petiole. This one is petiole. As you can see, this is attached to the main stem. And also we have the leaf apex, or we can say leaf tip. As you can see, this one is apex tip, and in here we can see this one is the apex or the tip. It is the terminal part of the leaf. And also we have the midrib, which is the like these parts of the leaf. It is the large central thick vein of the leaf that runs through the leaf blade from its base to its apex. Midrib. And also we have the midrib, another external structure. as we can say, main vein. This one, the main vein, or we have another plant. I think in here it's more. This one is the midrib, the main vein, the large central vein. We can say thick vein. The lymph that runs through the lymph blade from its base to its apex. It starts from the base to its apex, or we can say tip. Veins, lymph veins branches from the midrib of the leaves and contain vascular tissue of the leaf, xylem and phloem. In here you can see the veins, as you can see, it is smaller than midrib. The midrib is the main, but veins it's like divided. This one, these dividing and attached to the vein, attached to the midrib, which is the main vein. And also we have the leaf margin. Also we can say leaf edges. The edge of the leaf lamina lying between the apex and the base. Leaf margin. This one is the margin, and in here we have we can see the margin. So this is all the external structure of the leaf. And now let's talk about the types of the leaf. We have different types of the leaf. The simple and compound, peltate, and also perfolate. Simple leaf. Let's talk about the simple leaf. This is the simple leaf, or we can say this one. This is the simple and undivided blade and single axillary bud at the base of its petiole. It is the undivided blade. It's contains just one blade. Compound leaf. In here also we have the compound, this one. Blade divided into leaflets. Leaflets like an axillary bud, but each compound leaf has a single bud at the base of its petiole. It means that the compound leaf contains more than one axils and the leaves. Also, this is about the compound. Simple and compounds. What's the difference between between the simple and compound? The simple leaf contain only one leaf blade. Let us see. The leaf blade contain just one leaf blade, but the compound one contain more than one leaf blade. And also joined by its stalk to the woody stem. But the compound one, leaflets are joined to the midrib, that's not woody. And also example for the simple leaf, maple, oak, aspen, and also beech. For compound one, examples ash, walnut, and also sumac. Also in here we have the pictures of simple and compound. This is the simple one, and also this is the compound one. By the way, for the compound we have different types also. This one and this one. This one palmately compound, and this one pinnately compound. Why is different? Because leaflets riding from a single point. It means the leaflet, or we can say the leaf is attached to the one point of the leaflets. But in this one, the leaf is attached to the stem in different positions, not at the same point. So this is about the compound. And both simple and compound have lateral bud at the leaf base. And that's all about it. Let's talk about the peltate. peltate leaf, which is we cannot find these like these leaves at the outside, but you can see in here. This is the peltate. Petioles that are attached to the middle of the blade. The petiole directly attached to the blade, in the middle of the blade. Okay, and also we have the perfolate leaf, which is also different, like this one. This is the perfolate, a leaf with the base united around and apparently pierced by the stem. So it's about the perfolate. And now we have different shapes of leaf. As I said, we have different. We talked about the types of the leaf, and also we have the different shapes. In here we have some different shapes. For example, this one is the tourniquet shape, and also this one is elliptical. As you can see, it's different. And also this one, lanceolate. This is the oval shape. It's like this one, oval shape. And linear, it's like this one. Narrow leaf willow. Okay. This is about the shapes, and also we have these pictures. Pinnate lobate, linear, and also ovate, lanceolate, reniform, sagittate, obovate, and also palmately lobate. Let's label this picture, which is the structure of the leaf, parts of the leaf. Starts from the here. This part is the petiole. And also this one is the leaf base. This one is the midrib. This one is the vein. And these parts are the margin. And in here we have this part, which is the top of the leaf, which is tip. And we have this place, which is called the axil. Okay. And we have these parts, which is the leaf blade. And just we have these parts, which is the stem. So this is all about the structure of the leaf. Okay. Okay, here we have the questions. These two pictures show the simple or compound leaves. As you can see, in here we have more than one leaves and more than one axil, so that's why these pictures are the compound leaf. So now let us do a quick revision, which is at the beginning we talk about the leaf, the definition of the leaf. Leaf is the most important part for the plant, which photosynthesis are happening in the leaf. And also then we talk about the different types of the leaf, which we have four types, which is simple and compound, peltate, and also perfolate. Then we talk about the shapes. We have different shapes of the leaves, and we talked about the external structure of the leaf. We learned all these structures, or we can say parts of the leave, and thank you for your listening.